Hello Jutta family, very hot day today. I don't know if you can hear, but the kitten is purring. He knows how to keep cool and keep hydrated, so he's having his milk from his mommy. They both hang out in the shelter now all the time. They feel safe, which is lovely. You see them playing. You also see her teaching him to climb trees and catch little animals and things like that. She's a very good mommy. And she plays with him as well, teaching him play fighting. So lovely. Thank you very much. Have a lovely rest of the day. Bye-bye for now.